Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get Geico car insurance. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for geico.com. After that, you will be redirected to the homepage of the website. Now, you just need to enter the zip code at the top and click on this Go button. After that, select Auto from the list and then click on this Start My Quote button. You can see that a new pop-up has appeared on my screen asking if I want to get a home insurance as well. I will simply select the first option and click on Continue. Once done, you will be prompted to enter your date of birth and then proceed to the next step. Here, enter your complete name, click on this Next button, and then enter your complete address with the required information. Since I also selected the home insurance, it is asking if the address I entered is the one I want to get insured. So I will select yes and continue on to the next step. Next, I will select no and then enter the details about my car like its year, make, and model. After you have selected all of those, proceed to the next step and then select the correct one. Since I have my own car, I will select the first option and click on Next. Here, select the usage of your vehicle and then click on this drop-down menu to choose appropriate mileage. It doesn't need to be accurate. You can just use some estimates and then proceed to the next step. Once done, add another vehicle if you want and click on this Next button. Here, select your gender and then click on the Agree and Continue button. On this page, select your present marital status, then enter the social security number and then click on the Next button. Again, click on the Next button and then select No from the available options. Here, you will need to select the number of years you had your insurance and then answer if you have had any insurance in the last 30 days. Since I didn't have anything like that, I will select No again and then choose the body injury limit. After all of that, they will ask you about the age you got your license and then the date of issuance. On the next step, they will ask you about your education. So just select the last qualification from the available list, click on Next, and then select your industry. I will choose postal and advance to the next step. Then select your position in the industry you work in and then click on the Next button. Here, you will be prompted to add another driver if you want, then click on the Next button, and then again click on the Next button. Now choose the date you would like your insurance to begin, and since I have applied for a home insurance, it is asking about the current insurance I have. I will choose No and advance to the next step. On this step, select No again, then enter the basic information about your home and click on Next. Now, enter the basic information being asked until you get to this Discounts page. Simply don't select anything unless something is applicable and then click on the Next button. Then you may get an extra offer. Simply decline it and enter your email address and number in the required fields. Once done, click on the Get Me to My Quote button and your insurance quote is now ready. After this, you just need to pay for it and that's it. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.